Hi, welcome to the section of modules and services. Here in this section, firstly we have to define the modules. The modules the modules are the additional programming parts to add additional functionality to the e-commerce site, and it looks like to the plugins at WooCommerce in WordPress. So we have tons of modules at Prestashop in different parts and options, like payment options, shipping options, SEO, search engine, themes of the e-commerce site, and all of other options and methods or activities or functionality which are required to the e-commerce to be more efficient. So let's discuss here at the modules and services which relate to the modules. Here we see the list of modules. At this point we see there are two warnings. We see the bank wire, which is a module for payment method. As a payment method, we see bank wire, account owner and account details must be configured before using this module. Okay, we will do later after discuss more about modules. Also, we see the payment by check. The pay to the order of and address field must be configured before using this module. That's correct. So we have to fix these warnings. Although we see add-ons membership provides access to all our Prestashop modules, we have to log in or sign up to get all of these features of modules. And if we scroll down, we see the installed modules by default 65, and here we see the disabled modules 0, modules to updated no one here. If we scroll down again, we see the modules list. We see of favorite, all, administrations, advertising and marketing, analytics and states, checkouts, comparison sites and feed management, dashboard, email and SMS, front office features, marketplace, merchandising, migration tools, mobile payments and gateways, pricing and promotions, quick pack update, SEO, shipping and logistics, slide shows, and tax and invoicing, and other modules. So all of these appears to be modules in different options, different functionality to the site. Let's discuss and see some of these modules. Here we see installed and not installed, enable and disabled, author. That's all of these modules. Here we see the status of the modules. Here we see this module as administration, hosting, Prestashop, find the perfect hosting package for your needs, and thanks to conversion, click install. Setting up Prestashop is especially easy. The default offer for the USA. So that's this module, and we can install this module or these modules if we want. And here we can mark this module as favorite. Let's firstly let's install. It appears to be free to install. So let's discuss more about this module. This module can create your host, to choose the host, create an account one-to-one if we want. So we didn't need to configure this. Let's come back again to see more options. Here we see after install this module now appears to be installed on our store. Here we see the configure or the action on this. Sorry, here we see the action at this module. Here we see the if we want to disable this module, let's choose the disable to be disabled. So now this module appears to be disabled as we see here, and let's enable it again. Enable this module again to be shown, and again here we can do more disable on mobile or disable on tablet, disable on computer, reset, uninstall if we want to uninstall or mark as favorite or delete this module. Let's delete this module to see what will happen. Okay, accept. Then we will see what will happen after these issues. So okay, that's good. After delete this module, it will be temporarily deleted from our site, and here we see the install again. If we want to install more time to be on our site, module installed successfully. That's good. Here click to back to see the back, and let's discuss more about this module as an example. We can configure this module if we want to click here, and let's read some notes here to see expert app support available 24 hours 7 days, advice, practical help to specific to the application you are using, maximum available thanks to go redundant hosting of your website. That's all for this. So firstly we have to create an account at on one-and-one. We don't need that. Let's get back again to continue to see the other options at this module. We may mark as a favorite. Now we have to mark this module as a favorite, as you see here. Also we can do other issues. Let's discuss again for more modules and services to see what can we do here. So let's here we see some modules paid. So if we want to add this advanced sales tax profit and profit margin reports, we have to buy this module with $169.99. That's all for this module, and we see here the other module of advanced search, the best layers navigation module for Prestashop is back with the new version of research and developed were required to provide you with more than 50 new functionalities. That's all for this module with the cost of $224.99. And also we see the other. If we scroll down, we see the Amazon payments. If we want to choose this payment, we have to install this module if we want. Let's scroll down to see more options like Authorize.net, which is a leading payment solution that makes accepting payment safe, easy, and affordable. Over 400,000 merchants trust Authorize. It's a good option if we want to install this module. Here we see the available quantities. It's installed, but it's disabled. We can change this to be enabled if we want, or uninstall. No, it's enabled, by the way. And if we scroll down, bank wire payment and gateway, we see the bank wire accept payment for your product. So let's configure this module here, payments and gateway. We see bank wire. Before continue, let's check again to the top. Bank wire. It gives us the notification on the top of the dashboard for this window at this section to see bank wire account owner and account details must be configured before using this module. Okay, we may click here to fix or to configure this module, or to go there again here at this point to configure. So let's check this at configure from one place here or at the top to configure this payment. It's good for any owner of e-commerce or store on the net to configure different payment options. So this module allows you to accept secure payments by bank wire. If the client chooses to pay with bank wire, the order's status will change to waiting for payment. That said, you must manually confirm the order upon receiving the bank wire. That's all. So here is contact details. Firstly, you have to open an account with the bank wire, and here you have to add your account owner. Okay, I'll add my name here. Okay, that's and this field is required because of we see the asterisk with the red green, so it's required. And here's the details. Okay, some of the dummy information or other information. Okay, that's all, such as bank branch, IBAN, number. Okay, my ID. Here's, oh sorry, I'm sorry.